Battery charger. Battery charger is a good example of potential energy to electrical energy. Basically, the process inside the charger is that the potential energy will be stored inside. And when we switch on the plug, the present potential will be converted. Generally, there will be some amount of energy present in the charger, and when we switch the plug on, the energy that has been saved in the charger will be converted into electrical energy. It is considered to be one of the good example of potential energy to electrical energy, and this has application over several other areas of research. Generator. Generator works on the main notion of a solenoid, and this is a basic copper wound around a metal. The generator basically work on few principles of physics, so there's so many other factors when considered to deal with a generator. In a generator, there will be some energy stored in it, and when it is switched on, there will be an energy conversion. Now when the generator is switched on, the potential energy is converted to electrical energy, and this happens when the system is plugged to an energy source. Battery. Generally, a battery is a device which stores energy, and it is a storage device which has basic amount of energy stored in it. The battery has chemical energy in it, and some of it is also potential energy. So when the battery is brought to use, these energies will be converted to the electrical energy. The potential energy in a battery will automatically convert itself into electrical energy. The battery comes into use for so many purposes, and this is a useful device which comes handy for future uses. Electrical appliance. Electrical appliance is one of the good example of potential energy to electrical energy. The appliances get energy from solar, wind, water, and so on. The energy will be stored in the appliance as potential energy, and this energy will be converted into electrical energy when switched on. For example, let us consider a mixer which is used to grind food particles, and this appliance is a good example of potential energy to electrical energy. Another good example will be UPS, which will have certain amount of energy saved in it, and when there is a power cut, the UPS will instantly be switched on. It is also another good example of potential to electrical energy. Solar cells. Solar cells are the most trending in today's scientific world, which is widely used by all types of amenities. Solar cells basically have certain amount of energy stored in it, and we call it as the potential energy. Potential energy will instantly be converted to electrical energy in common terms. The households use solar power to run any kind of power-related things. The solar cells generally receive energy from the sun. The energy received from the sun will be stored as potential energy in the system, and at times of a power cut or so, this energy provides power to the required. Lightning. Lightning occurs when electric charges are being discharged in the electrically charged areas. The charge present in the lightning is the potential energy. When lightning occurs, the potential energy is instantly converted to electric energy. Lightning is a very good example of potential energy to electrical energy. The lightning channels through the air and the charges hit the air medium, and this converts the potential energy to electrical energy along with the conversion of potential to light energy. Cell phone. Cell phones are devices which has stored energy. This energy is known to be the potential energy. The energy is stored in terms of charges, and the charges present in the device can be regarded to be the capacitor. In cell phones, there is a term called the RF, termed to be the low-powered radio frequency. The radio frequency is also stored as the radiation, and this radiation is termed to be the potential energy. So when the cell phone is switched on, the stored potential energy will be converted to electrical energy. Computer. Computer is one of the best example of potential energy to electrical energy, and this basically has many storage units within the whole system. The computer consists of several other entities combined together, and one of them is the storage units. The CPU is the central power unit in which the energy is stored as the potential energy. When the system is switched on, the stored potential energy will instantly be converted to electrical energy. Hence, it is one of the good example of potential energy to electrical energy. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.